The term Chinese wall refers to an ethical and informational barrier established within organizations to prevent the exchange of confidential or sensitive information between departments that might have conflicting interests. The concept originates from the image of the Great Wall of China, symbolizing a strong and impenetrable division. In modern business and legal contexts, it is a metaphorical wall that ensures separation between teams to maintain fairness, integrity, and compliance, especially in industries like finance, law, and consulting. In investment banking, a Chinese wall is crucial to avoid insider trading or misuse of non-public information. For example, a bank's advisory division might have confidential knowledge about a company's upcoming merger, while its trading division could profit from that information. To prevent unethical or illegal activity, a Chinese wall ensures that these two divisions do not share such information. This barrier protects both the company and its clients, helping maintain the credibility of the financial system. The legal and corporate significance of a Chinese wall extends beyond finance. Law firms use it to manage conflicts of interest when representing multiple clients whose interests may clash. Similarly, consulting firms and accounting firms rely on internal barriers to ensure that client data remains confidential and is not used to benefit another client unfairly. In this sense, the Chinese wall represents both a structural and moral boundary, an internal code of honor that upholds professional ethics. Despite its importance, enforcing a Chinese wall is often challenging in practice. Information may unintentionally flow through casual conversations, shared digital systems, or overlapping personnel. Therefore, companies implement strict compliance policies, employee training, and monitoring systems to reinforce the barrier. Many organizations now rely on secure databases, separate workspaces, and legal agreements to reduce the risk of breaches, recognizing that even a small lapse can have severe legal or reputational consequences. The concept also reflects a broader philosophical tension between collaboration and separation. While modern businesses value teamwork and communication, certain types of information must remain compartmentalized to protect clients and markets. This duality requires a culture of discipline. Employees must know when to share and when to remain silent. The integrity of a Chinese wall, therefore, depends not only on policies, but on individual ethics and professional judgment. Critics argue that the metaphor may oversimplify or even misrepresent cultural imagery, as the term Chinese wall can be considered outdated or culturally insensitive. Some organizations now prefer alternatives like ethical wall or information barrier, which better describe the purpose without cultural reference. These updated terms highlight a global shift toward inclusivity and precision in professional language. In conclusion, a Chinese wall serves as a vital safeguard for ethical integrity, confidentiality, and fairness within organizations. It ensures that sensitive information is properly contained and not exploited for personal or corporate gain. While its effectiveness relies on both systems and human behavior, the principle behind it remains essential in maintaining trust across industries. Whether called a Chinese wall, ethical wall, or information barrier, the concept represents a moral and operational commitment to doing business transparently and responsibly in an interconnected world.